tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you're an architect, engineer, or designer, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable and high-quality printer that can bring your visions to life. That's why I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the HP DesignJet T210 24 inches wide format plotter printer. This powerful tool is designed to produce professional-grade technical drawings, blueprints, posters, and plans with ease, and I'm eager to dive into its amazing features. First, let's talk about the 24-inch large format printing capability. This is a game-changer for anyone who needs to print wide-format documents. With the HP DesignJet T210, you can produce stunning prints up to 24 inches wide, with precise detail and accuracy. Whether you're working on architectural plans, engineering designs, or artistic posters, this printer delivers professional results that will impress your clients and colleagues. I've tested it with various types of documents, and the output is consistently impressive. The level of detail and clarity is unmatched, making it perfect for technical drawings, blueprints, and other applications where precision is key. Another standout feature of the HP DesignJet T210 is its high-quality resolution. With up to 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI, this printer ensures sharp lines, clear text, and accurate graphics for CAD and engineering documents. The level of detail is astounding, and the prints are vibrant and colorful. I've compared the output to other printers in the market, and the HP DesignJet T210 clearly outshines the competition. Whether you're printing complex technical drawings or colorful posters, this printer delivers exceptional results that will exceed your expectations. The high-quality resolution also makes it perfect for printing photographs, artwork, and other graphic-intensive documents. Now, let's talk about the wireless connectivity feature. In today's connected world, it's essential to have a printer that can keep up with your mobile lifestyle. The HP DesignJet T210 features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to print easily from your laptops, tablets, and smartphones using the HP Smart app. This is a huge convenience, especially for professionals who are always on the go. I've tested the wireless connectivity, and it's seamless and reliable. You can print from anywhere, at any time, without being tethered to a physical connection. This feature is a major time saver, and it's perfect for busy professionals who need to print documents quickly and efficiently. The HP DesignJet T210 also boasts a compact and space-saving design, which is perfect for small offices, studios, and job sites. Despite its slim footprint, this printer doesn't sacrifice performance. It's designed to fit into tight spaces, making it ideal for professionals who work in cramped environments. I've tested it in a small office setting, and it's perfect for printing technical drawings, blueprints, and other wide-format documents. The compact design also makes it easy to move around, which is a huge plus for professionals who need to work on-site or in different locations. In addition to its impressive features, the HP DesignJet T210 also supports both roll paper and standard sheet sizes, giving you the flexibility to work with various media types. This is a huge advantage, especially for professionals who need to print a wide range of documents. Whether you're printing technical drawings, posters, or photographs, this printer can handle it with ease. I've tested it with different types of paper, and the results are consistently impressive. The printer's flexible media handling makes it perfect for a wide range of applications, from architectural plans to artistic prints. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T210 24 inches wide format plotter printer is an exceptional tool for professionals who demand high-quality printing. With its 24-inch large format printing, high-quality resolution, wireless connectivity, compact design, and flexible media handling, this printer is a powerhouse that will take your work to the next level. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile printer that can handle your technical drawing, CAD, and engineering needs, look no further. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible printer and experience the power of professional-grade printing. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So what are you waiting for? Take your printing to new heights with the HP DesignJet T210 and unlock your full creative potential.